Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock a screen in Kali Linux. Okay, so you can see that guys, I'm logged into my Kali Linux. Okay, so in order to lock it, you need to click on this top panel at the top right. Okay, and here we have the lock icon, this button. Click on that and you can see guys, it's now locked. Okay, and in order to unlock that, you need to press and hold the left button of your mouse. Okay, so I'm doing that, and you need to drag this to the top. Okay, and you can see guys, here we have the password section. Okay, so just provide your password and you need to click on this unlock button. Okay, and it's now unlocked. Okay, and also guys, there is another way by which you can unlock the screen on Kali Linux. Okay, so you can use the keyboard shortcut. So let me show you. So first of all, let me lock the screen, and you can see guys, the screen is now locked. Okay, so just press Ctrl Alt L key on the keyboard. I'm doing that, and you can see guys, here we have the password section. So just provide your password, and after that click on this unlock button, and you can see guys, we are now logged in. Okay, and also guys, if you want to set keyboard shortcut for locking the screen, then you can also do that. Okay, so for that, just click on this top panel at the top right and then click on this settings, and here we have the settings window opened, and after that guys, scroll down and here we have the devices. Click on that, and here we have the keyboard. Click on that, and guys, here we have the keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so just scroll down to the system section. Okay, so here we have the system section, and here we have the lock screen. Okay, so just click on this, and here we have the little window, set shortcut, enter new shortcut to change lock screen. Okay, so I want Ctrl Alt L key. Okay, so I'm doing that, I'm pressing that, and you can see here we have the set shortcut, enter new shortcut to change lock screen. Okay, so Ctrl Alt L key. Okay, and after you done, click on this set button, and after that you can close this window. Okay, and let's check out whether it's working or not. Okay, so I'm pressing Ctrl Alt L key on the keyboard in order to lock the screen. Okay, so I'm doing that, and you can see guys, the screen is now locked by using keyboard shortcut that we created. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. In this way you can easily lock or unlock the screen on Kali Linux. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.